binibigyan niya ako ng energy eh. Tapos nagiging active ako, tapos hindi ako madaling antukin, mas gising yung diwa ko.
Take Trivoca and do more in life.
Take Trivoca and do more in life.
Take Trivoca and do more in life.
As a nursing student, sobrang dami naming minimemorize. Sobrang dami naming binabasang books. Kaya nga hindi ko na alam kung paano ko pa mamamanage yung time ko para lang matapos lahat yun eh. Pero ngayon, mas okay na ako. I am more inspired. I can do more in life. I really like nursing. Kasi it's very in demand. Hindi ako mamomroblema maghanap ng trabaho here and abroad. And actually, I have the passion in helping other people as well.
That is why maintaining a healthy body is very important.
Of course, stress and super kulang sa tulog. As in, to the point na ilang oras na lang ang tulog namin, tapos papasok na kami sa school, and then exam every day. So, sobrang hirap talaga mag-cope kapag ang dami-dami mong binabasa, tapos feeling mo kulang yung nutrients sa katawan mo and vitamins. Well, for me, ang ginagawa ko is time management. Yun talaga ang una. And then, I eat fruits and vegetables, of course. And I also take Trivoca. Well, first is hindi na ako nasa-stress kapag nagbabasa ako. Tapos super gumagaan yung pakiramdam ko kasi alam ko kapag ininom ko yung Trivoca, super binibigyan niya ako ng energy. Tapos nagiging active ako, tapos hindi ako madaling antukin, mas gising yung diwa ko.
If you want an excellent result that will benefit you and your family, better shift now to Trivoca Dietary Supplement.
Sa mga kababaihan na merong very stressful lifestyle, include natin doon yung mga athletes natin na babae. No? You need something to combat fatigue, to combat the effects of poor nutrition, poor sleep, no? And all these, no, when you take them together, kasama to ng fatigue syndrome or acute fatigue syndrome na most of the time na experience sa mga kababaihan dahil trabaho na sa bahay, may trabaho pa sa opisina. For them, kailangan natin ma-combat yung effects ng fatigue syndrome at things that combat these are ginkgo biloba, ginseng, lutein, folic acid, iron, magnesium, and manganese. No? When taken together, these are very, very powerful allies, no? Against or to combat the effects of fatigue, to combat the sickness and illnesses which we encounter every day.
For a safer supplement, try the Trivoca Dietary Supplement. Take Trivoca for a healthier life. This portion was brought to you by Trivoca. Do more in life.